How's it going, guys? It's Clinton from the Earn Profits Academy. Today I'll be showing you a very easy and effective trading strategy that you can add to your trading arsenal. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and buy the euro again. There we go. Two positions in. I know for a fact that the market will go all the way up to 158.100, which is my take profit level. I'm going to quickly go over my thought process real quick. On the daily time frame, 157.315 has held at some sort of a level of support, and I've noticed some sort of a bullish pressure around that price. The 4 hours is still sloppy, like I said in my previous video. Based off how I'm seeing price react to a key level, I also marked out on the 1 hour time frame around 157.801. I'm expecting the buyers to push price all the way up to my take profit level. I might have got into this trade a little bit earlier than I should, but I'm 1,000% confident that price will definitely go all the way up and hit my take profit shortly. So with that being said, I'm going to pause the recording right now and get back to you guys in a all right. Over $3,000 running in profit. Over 20 pips. The reason the indicator is showing 40 pips is because I have two positions open and we're almost there, guys. Wait for it. Boom. Take profit hit. Another day, another dollar. I just left the market with over $3,000. Profits locked in as usual. I hope you guys are also going to make money today. Today's Monday and it's an amazing way to kick off the week. I'm sure members of the academy also locked in some profits on this particular trade because members of the academy have access to this strategy and should totally understand my thought process, my entry criteria, and why I had my take profit level at 158.100. The reason I love making these videos is because I like showing people that money can be made trading the forex market consistently over a long period of time. The broker I executed this trade on is Mugan market for tight spreads, low commissions, and instant crypto deposits and withdrawals. Sign up with the link in the description and also get access to a 100% deposit bonus. Like this video if you know you will make money trading the forex market this week, and subscribe to the channel so you can get to see live trading action like this often. And don't forget, guys, trade safely. Cheers.